Let's have a look at another 2-card combination. The King of Pentacles. This is the financial stable person who has all his ducks in a row financially. Together with the Star. The Star is following your North Star, doing what you feel is right and having some guidance, something to follow. So this card combination for me means maybe financially having a look at good investments. Maybe you're following a good investment advisor, somebody that's helping you move towards better financial decisions. This could also be, I've got all the money, I'm really stable. What do I really want to do? What makes me happy? Where do I want to move to? And this could also be all the money in the world really can't make you happy. Where you're going, you can't take your money with you, and really just making sure that your internal and spiritual life and your guidance that you follow, that your money doesn't really take over and that your money is not your first priority, but actually in terms of what is next and where you want to go, that is really taking priority as well.